I'm in between Friday night wild and quiet Sunday morning. Between done after one and keep on pouring. Ain't too high, ain't too low, just holding down the middle. I'm steady as I go. I ain't no holy water, I ain't no Jim Beam. I'm somewhere in between. Hey, with Blade's Guitar Lessons, I want to teach you how to play the new Scotty McCreery song called In Between. Super easy, very easy strumming pattern. Chord progressions not too difficult or anything. It might take a couple times to get used to the order of it in the chorus, but pretty easy song. So yeah, so anyway, thanks so much to all the subscribers. I really appreciate it. If you could hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to my channel, I would appreciate it, as long as you find it useful, all right? So, all right, let's get down to business here. So, standard tuning, no capo. You guys all know I love that stuff. And the chords that you're going to use for this song are you're going to use B. Okay, now B is technically played like that, but for this song, I actually just like to play like a power chord. Okay, so anyways, you're going to use B. Okay, and you're going to use G sharp minor. Okay, G sharp minor is just a power chord. Pointer finger on the 4th fret, ring finger on the E string, the big E string. Ring finger is going to go on the 6th fret on the A string, and then pinky is going to go on the 6th fret on the D string. Okay. Okay, you only need to play the top 3, just like that. Okay. All right, then you're also going to use F sharp. Okay, so you're supposed to bar it just like on G sharp. You're supposed to bar it too, but don't worry about it if you can't. But anyway, so you're gonna put your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the big E string, and then you're gonna put your ring finger on the 4th fret on the A string, and then your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string. Now you're also gonna want to put your middle finger down on the 3rd fret on the G string. Okay, sounds like that. If you can only play the top 3 or 4 strings, it's fine. Okay. So that's gonna be F sharp, and then you're also gonna use E. Okay. I'm not gonna teach you guys how to do E because it's like super basic. Okay. And I think that's it. So if there's any other ones, I'll show you, but I'm pretty sure that's it. So the strumming pattern for this song, super easy. So the intro starts, you're just doing B. You're just doing down, up, 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 down, up. So the intro is BB, okay? So it's BE, BE. All right? So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's the strumming pattern, the whole song. Okay? Super easy. All right. Intro, B, E. And you do that one more time. B, E. Now when I play the B, I always touch the top E string. I don't put my finger on top of it. I just touch it to mute it. Okay. So then after you do that, you're gonna do the same thing for the verse. It's just gonna be B E B E. All right. So it's gonna be I'm a little. Now on little you're gonna do B. I'm a little bit ball cap, little bit of pearl snap button. So on button down shirt. On button you're gonna do E. Button down shirt. Little bit of big city concrete. Okay, so you're gonna want to start doing B again on a little. Little bit of big city concrete, but a lot more small. So on small you do E. Small town dirt. Okay, now for the pre-chorus, you're gonna do G sharp minor, then E, then G sharp minor, then E. Okay? And that's it for the pre-chorus. Okay, so it's just going to be, I can see your pretty eyes, read me like a map. Okay, so it's, I can see your pretty eyes, read me. So as soon as you get to read me, you're going to do E, read me like a map. Wondering, so wondering is not G sharp minor. Wondering who I am, where I'm at. Okay, and where I'm at, you're going to do E, and where I'm at. Do a couple more strums and then go. I'm in between. Okay, so you're gonna mute that E at the end of the pre-chorus and then go to B. Okay, so then for the chorus, the order we're gonna go in is B, then G sharp minor, okay? Then F sharp. So that's an easy because you can just slide it down 2 frets. Okay, so you're on 6, 4, 4. You slide down to 2, 4, 4. Oh, sorry, 4, 6, 6 is G sharp minor, and then F sharp is just 2, 4, 4 basically. Okay, I mean you're supposed to be barring and putting this one on the 3rd fret, but whatever's easy for you. Okay, so then you're gonna do F sharp, and then you're gonna do E. Then you repeat that. Okay, so then you do B, then G sharp minor, then F sharp, okay, then E. And you're going to start over again, but the order is going to go a little bit different here. Then you're going to go B, G sharp minor, then F sharp. Sorry, the order is the same, so you do that 3 times. F sharp, then E. Then, this is where the order changes. Then you just go back up to G sharp minor, and then you do F sharp. Okay, and then you're going to do E. And that's where you're going to end it, okay? So you remember, you're just doing that same down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. You can do that the whole time, other than like the little mutes and stuff, okay? Now, during the verses, I would play it softer, and then during the chorus, I would play it a lot louder, for sure, right? But it's up to you guys. You can add little things like that in to like spice it up, but you don't really need to do a ton if you're new to the guitar, okay? So I'm going to walk you through how to do this, all right? Because that's like 80% or 90% of the song so far, okay? So the chorus is going to go, I'm in between. So in between is where you're going to do B. I'm in between. And you probably don't do it really till you start tween, okay? Tween. So tween. Okay, and the second half of it, you're going to do G sharp minor. Tween. Friday. So Friday is F sharp. Friday night wild. And quiet Sunday morning. So on quiet is where you're going to do E. Quiet Sunday morning, between, so between again, between, G sharp minor, done after 1, so done after 1 is F sharp, done after 1, and keep on, so keep is E, keep on pouring, ain't too high, so ain't too high is B, ain't too high, ain't too low, so, and then, so ain't is B, then the second ain't, you're going to do G sharp minor, ain't too low, just holding down the middle, so holding is where you're going to do F sharp. Holding down the middle, I'm steady. So I'm steady. Steady is where you're going to do E. Steady as it go. I ain't. Then you're going to go back up to G sharp minor. I ain't no holy water. And I ain't. So I ain't is where you're going to do F sharp. And I ain't all Jim Beam. Okay. So I think he's saying Jim Beam. Maybe the stuff I've seen online says Jim Dean. I don't know if that's right. Anyway, I ain't all Jim Beam. So that's E. Beam, I'm somewhere in between. Okay, so you're gonna go end on just like a single strum on E. I'm somewhere in between. Okay, and then you're just gonna do B. All right, and then E once. And then you're gonna go back into the second verse and the chorus. Okay, so for the like intro. Right before the bridge where you do the instrumental, you're just going to do B, G sharp minor, F sharp, and E. Okay? And then you're going to play that twice. All right? Now, then when you get to the bridge just is just like the pre-choruses from before. So it's just G sharp, okay? G sharp, E, G sharp, E. And then when you get to the final chorus, I would start it. It'll sound better if you do it really softly. I'm in between. Friday night wild and quiet Sunday morning. Between. So you notice I'm getting a little bit louder. That's what I would do. Start it really soft and then get louder and louder and louder gradually, okay? So then it'll sound awesome. And then just be like blasting it at the end, all right? So that's the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions, if you have any requests for other songs you'd like to learn next. And it's been fun as always, guys. All right, I'll see you next time.